On this day in 1918, a soldier reported feeling sick. By noon, 100 more had the same symptoms. It was the beginning of the deadliest pandemic in modern history. At Fort Riley, Private Albert Gitchell had a sore throat, fever, headache. Within hours, the infirmary overflowed. Doctors thought it was just seasonal flu. They had no idea what was coming. The Spanish flu spread from bases to battlefields, then across oceans. It infected 500 million, one-third of humanity. Between 50 and 100 million died. It struck the young and healthy. Cities shut down. Hospitals and morgues overflowed. The deadliest pandemic of modern times, reshaping public health forever. And it began with one cough. Follow for daily history.